Founded on the legacy of the previous grandMA consoles, the grandMA3 represents a radical rethink of what's possible from a lighting control platform. The physical design detail of the grandMA3 range is extraordinary and focused on delivering the best possible user experience. All of the huge high-resolution screens are multi-touch, and the faders are motorized on all models. The full-size and light models also feature color-changing backlights on the faders, giving the consoles a new level of intuitive interaction. The dual encoders are a real innovation, which, once you use, you will not want to do without. You can simply map your favorite features to your fingertips. Even the buttons have undergone a painstaking development process. They achieve the perfect combination of short movement with a positive click, ensuring they feel and sound just right. The grandMA3 console range embraces the widest spectrum of users. The flagship full-size model provides the greatest playback capabilities and is suitable for the world's most prestigious and technically complex shows. The workhorse of the range is the grandMA3 Lite, which provides all the power and flexibility you're likely to need for all but the most demanding productions. Both the full-size and light models are also available in control room versions. The CRV models are designed for use where console operator sightlines are a problem, such as theatre or cruise ship control rooms. The CRV models are designed for use with additional external multi-touch screens to be placed either above or at the side of the control room window, instead of blocking the view of the console operator. An exciting addition to the range are the two compact models, which offer all the essential elements of the grandMA3 system, housed in a compact and lightweight format. They're ideal for rental and easy for an individual to transport on their own. And of course, we still offer an on-PC command wing solution in the grandMA3 range, which, when coupled with a suitable computer, can provide many of the advantages of the grandMA3 system at a very attractive price. The grandMA3 on-PC command wing features 10 of the motorized faders and the 5 dual encoders from the larger grandMA3 consoles. The grandMA3 console range really does embrace the widest spectrum of users.
The grandMA3 software has an elegant new system architecture, incorporating new fixture, feature and effects handling at its very heart. These groundbreaking concepts from top industry visionaries are presented within a refined user interface and are designed to make practical tasks more intuitive.
The playback capabilities of the grandMA3 offer complete flexibility. There are 4 rows of separately assignable executors within each column of playback hardware. You can combine any selection of adjacent executors to a single sequence. You can assign any playback function to any physical action of a button, encoder or fader. So now, press and hold, release, fader increase and even fader decrease are all separately assignable with any playback function and indeed any console functions.
The grandMA3 operating system is completely new and has been designed to feel more welcoming to fresh converts, without alienating existing grandMA programmers. Extensive user feedback has been incorporated to ensure the new functionality addresses the real-world needs of the MA family. The fundamental syntax of the grandMA2 has been preserved and extended to facilitate the new functionality.
Selecting fixtures, adjusting values, storing presets and playing back cues should all feel familiar, but improved. We've added a new way to create dynamic programming. Called phasers, it's a way of achieving multiple effect steps within a preset or cue. The beauty of phasers is that they are easy to deal with. All timing, preset and playback priority is seamlessly integrated throughout the console, so there's no difference when dealing with phasers compared to regular cues. Fixture information is now generic and allows simpler sharing of program data between fixtures. We also support the new GDTF protocol natively, allowing fixture manufacturers to ensure their own fixtures are controlled as intended.
Now, it's still early days for the grandMA3 software. And whilst we have not currently got all of the functionality of the grandMA2, we have included some really nice improvements that we hope grandMA2 users will appreciate.
The grandMA3 user interface is now fully customizable. We provide the simple night and day appearances, but users can customize the UI until their hearts are content. The grandMA3 remote is accessible via any browser and is simply an additional console screen view. Just like on the console views, your remote can call up any and all functionality based on your settings. Multi-user situations have become far more powerful. Users can now have their own data pool, which allows separate groups and presets for each user. And finally, we can now offer a Mac version of the on-PC software. Unfortunately, it can't unlock parameters for standalone systems, but the Mac version can be used for pre-programming, backup, and as a session member on existing grandMA3 systems.
Today, we can just provide you with a glimpse of where we are planning to take the grandMA3. It will incorporate many more innovative concepts that should result in faster working and better results. But the one key grandMA feature we refuse to compromise on is reliability. We don't take your trust for granted. So if you are not quite ready to dive into the new grandMA3 software, you can still enjoy the benefits of the gorgeous new hardware. Because we have incorporated a full native version of the grandMA2 software on both the new grandMA3 full-size and light models. We hope you have enjoyed our short presentation. If you would like to experience the new console range for yourself, please contact your local MA distributors for more details.